Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a slide in PowerPoint. Deleting a slide in PowerPoint helps streamline presentations by removing irrelevant content, ensuring clarity and focus for the audience. So let's start the video. First, open your PowerPoint presentations that contain the slide you want to remove. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the left hand side of the screen where you will see a thumbnail view of all your slides. This is called Slide Sorter View. Now simply select the slide you want to delete by clicking on it. To select multiple slides, press and hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and then select the slides you want to delete. With the slide selected, right click on it and choose Delete Slide from the menu. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut by simply pressing the delete or backspace key after selecting the slide. So that's how to delete slide in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.